In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use InVideo. So InVideo is an online video editor that you can access straight from your browser. So you don't need a powerful computer to run it. So with InVideo, you can also get access to thousands of video editing templates as well as over 1 million royalty-free images and videos. So that you can access straight from your InVideo and put it into your content. Now in this tutorial we are going to be creating a project from start to finish, and if you like what you see, be sure to hit the like button below. And with that being said, let's get started. So this is the home screen of InVideo. So as you can see, there are multiple options. One is pre-made, then we have text to video, then we have blank canvas. So for this video I'm just going to select the blank canvas, and the video format which I am going to select is 16:9. So here as you can see, there are multiple options like 16:9, 1:1, 9:16. So I'm just select 16:9. So here as you can see, this is the main editor. Here on the left hand side you can see templates, then we have the upload option here. So here you can upload your images and videos and music files. So then we have the music library here. So these are all copyright free videos here. Okay, so then we have the images. So there are hundreds and thousands of images here. Then we have the music. These are all royalty free musics. Then we have the text. You can insert text in your video. So there are different formats you can use. So as you can see, then we have the logo, then stickers, then overlays. So there are all multiple options available. So here as you can see, so these are all stickers you can use in your video. So these are all overlays. So for this video I have just already downloaded. See, as you can see, I'm just trying to paste the video here. Okay, so I'll just keep it small and I'll click on OK. So I have already downloaded short clips for this video. So I'll just drag and drop it here. So I'll just resize the video here. So as you can see, this is the preview of the video. So next I'll just drag both the videos, remaining both the videos. So as you can see, I have already inserted all the 3 videos here. So I'll just resize the video to fit the canvas. So I'll do it for the third video also. So now if you want to add text, you just have to go on text and select the text format. So I'll just select one random text format here. So there are multiple options you can choose from. I'll just select this one. So I'll just write something, bring home happiness. I'll just resize the text, increase the text size and drag it and drop it so wherever you want it. So once that is done, so just click on animation, and in the animation you can give fade in and fade out effect if you want. So I'll just select the fade in. So as you can see here, so fade in effect has been added to scene 1. So similarly, if you want to add any animation, you just have to select the scene and go into the animation, and you can give fade in and fade out. There are multiple options you can choose from. So as you can see here, I'm just going to fade out. You can increase the duration also. So this effect has been added. So if you want to give any effect to text as well, you can give to text as well, whether it's fade in, fade out. You can add animation option to text also. So here as you can see, I'll just give fade in effect. So as you can see, the animation effects has been added on the text also. So now if you want to add music, you just have to go on music and select a music of your choice. So I'll just select a random music. I'll add it to the timeline. So I'll just drag it here and increase it till end of the video here. Almost done. So music has been added, scenes has been done, text has been added. So now if you want to give any overlay effect, you can give that. You can just preview the overlay effect. You just have to click on plus icon here and this effect will be added to the scene. So here as you can see, the effect has been added on the scene. So if you want to increase or decrease the brightness, you just have to go on adjust colors and you can increase or decrease the opacity of the overlay effect. So once everything is done, so now just click on download, click on export, and you're ready to go then. So there you go guys, InVideo is in no doubt a useful video creating tool and video editing tool. Anyone looking to create videos can use this software. The video creating process is extremely easy than other video creators. So their price is reasonable as well. So as a whole, I will definitely recommend people to try this tool at least once. So if you are interested in InVideo, check the link in the description. So that will take you to their website and see if this is right for you. So thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your support and I'll see you in the next video.